purple part is a special leaf called a braid. The real flower is tiny and white inside. This braid is important because it calls bees to come. This is called adaptation. Plants are clever. Science rule is we look with our eyes only. We don't pick the flower and we keep them safe.
Next is our second flower. This is Izora.
It is red. Look, many small flowers in one big group. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. So many. This is important because the group happens see easily. This is called pollination. Pollination helps make new scent. We can use Izora to learn counting in class.
Our last flower is very special. Its name is the butterfly flower. The science name is Hanera coccana. Why is it called butterfly flower? Look at the shape. It looks like a butterfly with its wings open.
The color and smell are important because they call real butterfly. Compared to Izora, this flower grow one by one. Izora grow in group. Buds are different, but buds are natural.
So today we learn about three amazing friends. Bougainvillea, Izora, and the butterfly flower. We learned that flowers have different color, shape, and size, but all of them have an important job in nature. This shows us that science is all around us every day. Let's remember our two science rules. Rule number 1, we explore with our eyes and our gentle hand. Rule number 2, we keep nature safe and clean for everyone. Thank you for being great scientists with me today. You are all nature explorer now. See you next time.